Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert text to curves in Affinity Designer. This is a really useful technique when you want to edit individual letters or preserve your text design exactly as is without worrying about font availability. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens up, you'll need to work with either an existing file or create a new one. Go ahead and open whichever project you're working with. Now here's where the conversion happens. Click on the text that you want to convert to curves. Once it's selected, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with various options. From this menu, look for and select Convert to Curves. This step is crucial because it transforms your editable text into vector shapes, which means you can manipulate each letter individually as if it were a graphic element rather than text. After you've converted the text, click on one of the letters. When you do this, take a look at the right panel. You'll notice that the text has now become ungrouped. This is the magic of converting to curves. Each letter is now its own separate shape that you can edit independently. This gives you complete creative control over every aspect of your design. Finally, let's make some adjustments. With one of the letters still selected, you can adjust the bounding box corner of that letter. This allows you to resize, rotate, or manipulate the individual letter however you need for your design. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your text to curves in Affinity Designer, giving you the freedom to customize each letter exactly how you want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.